Let's be honest, the word budget makes you think of spreadsheets and pain, but you don't need to be an accountant to stop being broke. Most people get paid. Then it's rent, Uber Eats, coffee, Steam sale. Then boom, it's the 20th, and you're living off toast. There's a stupidly simple rule that actually works. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, boring adult stuff. 30% for wants, like games, Netflix, snacks. 20% for savings, future you will thank you later. Let's say you earn 1,000 euros. That's 500 for basics, 300 for fun, 200 saved. Suddenly, your money has a plan, and you didn't need a spreadsheet. Use a notebook, a Google Sheet, or one of those apps you downloaded and never opened. Budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about not waking up on the 25th thinking, where the hell did it all go? Follow FinZ Mentor, because money shouldn't feel like math class.